So if I come right into my CPA Grip dashboard, right over here, my today's revenue is over $400. Now I'm going to do one thing. I'm going to come right over here and right click the page itself, and I'm going to reload this so that you can see that this amount is active here. Now I will do another thing. I will come up here and I will click on reload page again on the top here. These are the options that I have to actually refresh this page. So why I'm doing this is to show you that what I'm about to teach you in this video is 100% legit. So now what you need to do is to learn this strategy if you want to scale up your income with CPA marketing level. So the first thing I'm going to do is to walk you through step by step. And this step by step process is to simplify the explanation so that you understand what a lot of people are breaking in ambiguous English. So they don't even know exactly what word to use to simplify the process of CPA marketing. Even till now, so many people are still asking me what is CPA marketing. So basically, CPA means cost per action, and it is just a simple put that when you promote a company product, you get a commission, you get paid a commission for just advertising their own platform, even when the audience have not actually paid for that particular product. Just you as a marketer advertising for this company, you are going to get paid for that until anytime they feel the customer feel like to buy the product, they can go ahead and pay. Even if they buy it, because you have earned for the promotion, you are no longer going to be paid again. So we are going to we as marketers we get paid immediately we promote, and whatever happen thereafter is none of our business. So this is one thing you pay attention to about CPA marketing. Then now we are going to be looking at what and how can you actually promote this company and be able to earn for it. Now we have three basic options that I'm going to introduce. The first one is monetization tools, and then the second option is offer tools. We have the third option, which is basically recently added offers and top performing offers. These are areas you can, in CPA Grip, you can basically lay your hands and be able to pick a valid offer you want to promote. So, but in this video, let me explain each of them. I explained this before in my video, but because of the new viewers, I want to make sure that I always explain this again and again so you can understand exactly what it stands for. Monetization tools gives you an opportunity to monetize your digital content. So if you are a creator, like a video maker, you are going to be able to monetize your video you are going to be creating for that can solve a problem. So if you make a video to solve a particular problem, there are a lot of people out there who are looking for solution on one or two issues, but you have made a video solving that problem. Now you are going to send that video to that audience. Now, if you send the video to that particular audience and the audience watch that video and gain value, you have automatically wasted that content. But for you to monetize this particular video so that the audience will gain value by watching the video, but you are going to get paid because the audience watched that video. So you are going to monetize that particular video using monetization tool. If it is article, fine, monetize it with monetization tool. If it is a picture that you just snapped, then you send it to your friend or a customer or an audience. So because the audience is so eager to look at that picture and gain value from that picture, then once you do that, you get paid for the work done. That is monetization tools. But in the case of offer tools, this particular option gives you an opportunity to go to the interface or the platform. Okay, what are the companies that want their page or landing page or their business product to be promoted? So you are going to be seeing the list of those products. So once you see the list of those products, the specific requirement that the company wants, some company will say, let me get audience from United States. Let me get audience from United States, the people who are using mobile phone, who are using laptop, who are using iPhone, or who are using different devices. They can specify all of this. Now, your duty as a marketer is for you to go in there and sort out each of these offers in the offer tools and then you're going to pick those offers and move into the labor market and start promoting those offers. So once you send traffic to the qualified traffic to the offer or the landing page, the advertiser from the CPA Grip pay you the commission because you have sent an audience to them. Very simple. Then this is also the same similar way that the offer tools work. For top performing offers, most of the offers that are in the top performing offers are offers that are basically doing well. Let me scroll down to the top performing offers so you can understand this. Okay, so this is the top performing offers. So sometimes you get more high paying offers from top performing offers, but the fact is that why they are called top performing offers is because these are offers that are proven that, okay, people are earning from it. Some marketers have promoted these offers and is converting. Why am I explaining this? Because some of the offers that you may see in the CPA network, sometimes they don't convert. So you don't need to be wasting your time in offers that do not convert. Unless you try it and it converts the first time, these are offers that a lot of people have tested and it is converting already for them. So you are going to come over here, grab any of the offers based on your interest. You can see that we have high paying offers right there. So you can also come to the recently added offers. So recently added offers basically does not tell you whether it is already converting, but these are offers that are added into the network just recently. They are brand new offers. They have not, a lot of people have not actually tested them. They have not performed them. They have not actually promoted them. So what you need to do in this case is basically go ahead and try one of the offer from the recently added offers. But be rest assured that some of the offers in the recently added offers, because they are new, so they will definitely convert. Until after a while, they will stop converting. Okay. So all you need to do is come over here, click on one of the offer, and boom, you are good to go. All right, guys. Now that you have seen exactly how you have to work with CPA Grip, I don't know about any other CPA network you are using, but the process is the same. If you want me to make a video on a particular CPA network and you want me to explain how you get around to these offers and how you can easily identify a high paying offers and how you can be able to promote them, just make sure you tell me that in the comment section. Okay. Now, the next thing we're going to be looking at is bridge page or landing page. Bridge page or landing page is a gateway, or simply put, a house holding CPA offer links. So what you need to do is that you need this landing page in every single CPA offer you want to promote to avoid allowing your audience to clicking the direct offer link, because when they click on those direct offer links, they send invalid clicks to those of your offer links. So in order for you to get offer to convert, then they need to trust your landing page. They need to trust that, okay, you are promoting this offer directly from a landing page. Okay, so you are going to be coming over here to Google site, which is the most simple and easiest landing page builder, not just to build a landing page, but to also create a simple website powered by Google. And you don't need a hosting, you don't need to buy a domain name. Just click on the plus blank site and then you are already good to go. You can also do this with just your mobile phone or your laptop, just like as I'm doing right now. So clicking on it takes you to a blank page where you basically need to go ahead and design your landing page. But coming right over here on the sidebar, you can see a just one click delete button. Clicking on it will eliminate unwanted elements on the interface, and then you come in over to the sidebar and you're going to see exactly all the tools that you need in order for you to go ahead and create an attractive landing page. But take note that your landing page does not have to be attractive in order for audience to click these offer links. What is most important is the message you are sending and the value you are giving for each of these landing page you are creating for every single offer. So you have to understand how you can basically trigger the interest or pull out the interest of the particular geolocation that you are actually targeting. For example, you are targeting United States, you are targeting United Kingdom, Australia, Switzerland, and so on. All of these things, you need to understand the behavior of the people out there. What do they like? How can you solve their problem? How can you make them to have interest in clicking your link? That is the first thing you look at. So come over here and click on the text box and enter any element that you can actually insert your CPA link. So you can basically go ahead and insert multiple links of your offer, like maybe 20, 30 different offers. But the first mistake you should avoid is making sure that all the offers that you're going to be putting right on this same landing page are 100% related, so that someone from the United States can actually understand that, okay, I am from United States and I'm seeing this landing page. If he clicks the offer one, congratulations, offer convert. He clicks on the offer two, congratulations, offer convert. So this means that one single person can actually click the 30 different links for you, and then each of them convert individually. So this means that if you have 3,000 clicks or you have 15,000 clicks on your CPA offers, so you have 30 offers in a landing page, you can multiply how much you could make from each of these offers, because one person could complete or clicks multiple of your links. That is the logic. But if you go ahead and put Australia, you put United States, you put United Kingdom. Now, if the person that you are driving as an audience is in United States and decide to click the link of the Australia, you can see invalid clicks as occur. So this is where sometimes you may not get conversion, and you need to pay attention to all of this. I'm taking time to explain this basically to make you understand how to actually promote CPA offer legitimately with any CPA network. Everything I'm explaining to you is based on experience, and I'm also making sure that the same application is also applicable to every other CPA network. Once it is CPA, it is all around figure. So just take note of that. Now that you have created your landing page, you have housed your links, the next thing is traffic. Traffic. Now, what is traffic? Traffic is the audience. How do you get those audience? You need to source them from location, from wherever they are. These are people working in office. These are people working in different places. Some of them are sleeping. Some of them are on holidays. They are already on their mobile phone, watching videos, doing a lot of things. But the biggest challenge is, how do you get them? How do you get access to them? Some of them are on Facebook. Some of them are on WhatsApp. Some of them, these are real human beings in different locations with their smartphones and PC. So basically, we're going to be using this particular website. Just paste it .it. Okay, just paste it .it will give you an opportunity to reach out to these people wherever they are. Basically, what do you need to do? You just need to come over here, enter the title of your post. Make sure that your title is attractive and curiosity gap driven, so that once they see it, if it is 100 people that sees this title, at least 80% of them will click on your link. Okay, so the next thing is to come over here on the body and type whatever message you want. Remember, you are giving value, so it must be valuable. Then underneath it, you can just come down here and enter the link of this landing page. Remember that we have already entered all the links of the offer in a landing page. So because of that, you are basically not going to be entering individual offer links again. So what you're going to do right here is to go ahead and place the landing page links. After that, the next thing you're going to do is to publish this. After publishing it, what next? You are going to be refreshing your page. How many clicks have you received? How many people have clicked? And out of the clicks that you are basically going to be seeing, the question is, did it convert? That is where sweat, that is where your body will be shaking. How much money have you made? Because this is the logic. I have good news for you. I know that manually finding these groups or website like this, posting every single day, you can imagine how much sweat you are going to be getting, right? And this process is 100% exhausting. Okay, that is exactly why I have designed a custom direct traffic system that I personally use. Most of you guys have been watching me even before now, you have been following this channel, basically you understand the logic, okay? Instead of stressing yourself out and spending hours struggling to hunt down the right audience, whether the audience you have seen they are taking action or not, my system streamlines the whole process so you can route out the right traffic directly into your CPA offers much faster. Of course, if you want to understand the exact step-by-step process and how to drive this direct traffic, and if you want to get access to my masterclass and one-on-one mentorship training where I would sit down one-on-one with you, hold you by hands, and directly walk you through the entire setup, then go ahead and hit on the link below this video. And my WhatsApp number will also be under this video description. Just go ahead and send me DM directly, and I'm going to go ahead and respond to you. That is, if you are interested to change the narrative of making money with CPA marketing. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like this video and turn on the bell icon so you get notified once new video is published. This is Macro Hustle TV. I will see you guys in my next video, guys. Peace out.